tayo po, it's pang-remind lang kadakwada ko madetoy. So, idi Friday manin po, ada man nakita nga posdan nga agisarada detoy sangot ti Ablan Avenue apo, nga ada in release ni Mayor nga ionan. Iso kahit ko kaslang na ragsakanak nga nak-comply damit nga ag-request da ti EO. Pakita yung data ti EO ni Mayor, data ti EO na. EO JBA 038, an order authorizing the temporary road closure of Governor Roque Ablan Avenue from adaming nga details nga ibaga na itapo. So, katawa, okay ako man, awang ko ma-problema kon at complement ka dito yung kapulisan, ayam idi-flag ceremony idi kalman, nakita pa ni Apo Rabang Ijayim kaslang anino aklatan nga kaslang hanapay nga i-acknowledge dito'y mading inubrana. Tinakamadmading nga inubrana Apo, and I say this in record, nag-reply letter kenyak suna po, dated October 24. I-flash yung man screen ti reply letter na. Kunana ita po, naraksak ken bla bla bla, kunana itan. Ipangkulat ta dito yan ti salient points dito po. Kunana ito'y noteworthy to emphasize that in your letter, you express your belief that the no entry points is tantamount to temporary closure of roads, which is violation of the law. With due respect, kunana kanyak, the implemented rerouting scheme thus during the activity is not the same as of the temporary closure. Consider that the latter imports from some sort of permanence. The rerouting scheme being implemented during the activity is the least manageable way to address the traffic flow in some parts of the city where the activity is undertaken without any intention or malice on our part to burden the commuters instead. We just perform our duties and responsibilities to provide security and traffic flow during the said activity. Be that it may, the undersigned is now mindful of your directive as mentioned in your letter. It is such that I assumed that the fact that you were properly notified by the concerned office of the said activity and yet you did not act on it. That's why we implemented the above mentioned rerouting scheme to perform our duty. Nakakatawa po, I am very insulted kadeto'y wordings ni Apo Hepe tayo at pagbalbalinin nakmet nga inutilen. At nakalawlawag, I made my sentiments of opposition on this road closure nga awan. Let me remind this august body Apo that the police doesn't have the authority to close the roads Apo.